Hi everyone, so this is the video editorial for problem A and problem B of the latest AtCoder beginner contest 219. So let's look at the first problem. So first problem is AtCoder quiz 2, and what the problem statement says is that you have been in the kingdom of AtCoder. There are a standardized test of competitive programming. So basically you will be given a score between 0 to 100, and what you will be given a score out of 100, and you will be obtaining a rank according to that score. And what will be happening is, like, you will be given a novice tag if your score is between 0 to 40, and if your score, you will be given intermediate tag if your score is greater or equal to 40 and it is less than 70. You will be given advanced tag if your score is between 70 to 90, where 17 is inclusive, and if your score is greater or equal to 90, then you will get an expert tag. So Takashi has given the test and he got X points. So you have to find the minimum number of extra points you need to go one rank higher. And if you are a expert programmer, then what will be happening is, if you are expert programmer, then you will simply print expert because there is no higher level. So basically, if you are given 56, then the next level is 70, right? The next benchmark is 70. So to reach 70, you will need 14 more points. So that is why you will print 14. If you are given 32, then the next benchmark that you have to reach is 40, right, to reach the next level. So to reach 40, you need 8 more points. That is why you will print 8. If you are at 0, then that means to reach the next benchmark, that is at 40, you need 40 minus 0, that is 40 points. And if you are at 100, so you are already expert, so you need to print expert. So I'll show you the code quickly. So what you have to do is, first of all, you take the x as an input. Then if your x is greater or equal to 90, simply print expert. If it is greater or equal to 70, then you can print 90 minus x to reach the next rating. And if your x is greater or equal to 40, then you simply print 70 minus x, and in the else part you can simply print 40 minus x, right? This is clear. Then for the second problem, what you are given is, you are given 3 strings, right? You are given 3 strings and they consist of lowercase English characters, and there is also a string t that consists of characters 1, 2 and 3. So you need to concatenate the 3 strings according to the characters in the string t and print the resulting string formally conforming to the following instructions, right? So if you need to add si if the ith character of the string t is 1. If the ith character of the string t is 2, then you need to add s2. And if the ith character of string 3 is string t is 3, then you need to concatenate s3, right? So what you will be doing is, it is also again a simple question. So simply you need to take all the strings at input. First you will take s1, then s2, and then s3. Then I have declared s4, or you can also say t. Then what you will be doing is, you will be iterating for s4. If the ith character is 1, then you will be printing s1. If it is 2, then you will be printing s2, and in the else part you will be printing s3. So this was a simple implementation. So both of these problems were very trivial. So this was all about the video. In case if you like the video, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.